Good morning, class. This is lecture number 3 of chapter number 3. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss exercise 3C with some examples and that exercise. Okay. Let us start with the exercise. The topic is subtraction of integer. Topic is again very simple topic. Here we have to subtract an integer from a given integer. Okay, the topic is subtraction of number. In this topic we have to subtract a number or an integer from the other integers. Okay, we already know about the number line in the form of this 1 2 3 4 5. Either we can say it as the steps we have to move from right or left to the 0. So number of steps counted right are positive and in the left are counted as negative integers. Okay, these all are negative integers and these all are positive integers. So we have to deal with all these numbers with some examples. I will take some example. Like example first, if we have subtract 245 from 790, then we can take at 790 minus 245. Okay, or 790 minus 245, like this. So 790 minus 245 is 545 is the answer. Okay, we will take some other example also. Second example, we have minus 250 from minus 190. Okay, now what we have to do? Minus 190 minus of 250. Okay, minus 190 में से minus 250 माइनस करना है. So this is the sign like this, minus, and minus we know, minus plus, then it is 190 plus 250. या हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 250 minus 190. So 250 minus 190 is 60. Like this we have discussed some question in exercise also. So let us start with exercise 3C. First question, fill in the blanks. Plus 8. Whatever I am write on the board, you have to note down in your clear copy as per the given instruction. Okay. So question number first part is plus 8, or plus 8 is written as 8 minus 3 equal to plus 8 plus, then we have to fill last answer. Okay, plus 8 is written as 8 minus plus 8 plus 3 equal to 8 plus, so this is 3. Now final answer 8 plus 3 is 11. Like this we have fourth part plus 13 minus plus 15 equal to plus 13 plus, okay, then 13 plus minus 15, then 13 here plus, so we have to take minus, plus minus 15, like this. So final answer is 13 minus 15 or 13 minus 15. So final answer is minus 2. You have to subtract 15 minus 13, then sign is negative. Question number 1, second part and third part are your homework. Do these part in your homework register or in your rough copy. Whenever school reopen, I will check all the question. Okay. Question number 2, second part, plus 15 is written as minus 17. So it is written as minus plus 15 plus 17. So fill like this, 15 plus 17. 15 plus 17 is 32. So this is the answer. Now fourth part, minus 48 plus minus 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 13 equal to, like this we have to fill, minus 48 plus minus minus, so minus 13. So our answer is minus 61. Minus minus we have to add, then sign is bigger number sign is added. Okay, first and third part, again homework in your rough copy. The important question you must have to do in your fair copy, and the question which are not much important but you have to do in your homework register as per the given instruction, whatever I am saying here. Okay, question number third, subtract each of the following number using the number line. Using the number line we have to subtract all these number. In question number third we have to use the number line like this. The given number is minus, we have to subtract minus 2 from minus 7. Okay, like the minus 7, and we have to subtract minus 2. So minus minus, that is plus. So we have to move 2 steps in the right direction. So just 2 step right direction like this. Minus 7 plus 2. Plus 2 means we have to move in right direction. Minus means we have to move in left direction. Okay. Again minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what? Minus 8 minus plus minus 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 2. And minus 2 denote we have to move in left direction. So minus 8 minus 2, answer is minus 2. Like this, you have to do like this. So rest of the part in this question, second and third, you have to do in your fair copy. Okay. Next question number 4, subtract minus 20 from 7. Very simple question. Okay, question number 4, minus 20 from 7. So 7 minus minus 20. Okay, minus minus plus means 7 plus 20, answer is 27. Again 500 minus minus 453. So we have to add 500 plus 453. Answer is 953. Now minus 1500 minus minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have to add minus 1500 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 66. 266 our answer, and negative. Question number 4th, rest of the part do in your homework register. Okay. Now question number 5th, very simple question, because we have to just look into the sign. Question number 5th, first part is minus 3 minus minus 7 plus 11. Okay, so minus 3 minus minus plus 7 plus 11, 11 plus 7, 18. So 18 minus 3, answer is 15. Okay, fourth part, 25 minus minus 8 plus minus 2. Okay, you have to manage first of all braces. Okay, 25 minus, this is minus 8 plus minus 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 2. So minus 8 minus 2, it is minus 10, and minus of minus 10 is 10. So 25 plus 10 is 35. Okay, rest of the part homework. Okay, now question number 6, fill in the blanks as per the given sign. Okay, symbol we have to use some symbols given in the question. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6, first part, minus 6 plus 3. Okay, 7 minus 10. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3, and minus 6 minus 3, that is minus 3. So there is sign of equal. Okay, or we can take it as like this. Now question number third part, minus 11 minus 14, minus 11 plus minus 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 14, and here plus 11 minus 14. So it is minus 25, and this is -3. So this will be greater than this. Okay, like you have to use like this. Don't do this, do like this. Okay, next move to question number 7. If about any question I told about the question that you have to do in your fair copy, that only you have to do in your fair copy. Otherwise you have to do all the question in your rough copy or homework register. Whenever school is open, I will check all this question. Okay, maybe the maintenance and the homework of your homework in your copy give you some evaluation in marks as well. Okay, so please do all these question whatever I am taking here. Okay, move to question number 7. First question here homework and second part I will take here. Okay, the sum of -434 and -166 from the sum of, okay, subtract. We have to subtract sum of, first sum of 389 and -532. Okay, we have to add both the numbers. So plus minus 532 plus minus, so 389 minus 532. So answer is 532 minus 11, 143 of minus. Now sum of -434 and -166. Okay, again we have to add these number, 434 plus -166. So answer is -600. Now we have to subtract this from this. Okay, as per the question, according to question, -143 minus 600. Okay, like this we can take it as 600 minus 143. So answer is 57 and 6 minus 1 4. So 457 is our answer. Okay, 457 is our answer. Okay, very important question, question number 8 with some confusion. Like mercury and room temperature is a liquid, its melting point is -39. The freezing point of alcohol is -114 degrees Celsius. We have to find out how much warmer is the melting point of mercury than the freezing point of alcohol. Freezing point of alcohol -114 है, माइनस में है बट फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट है, तो ये वैल्यू बहुत कम है देन इसकी, क्योंकि ये टेम्परेचर माइनस में तो है बट -39 इससे बहुत ज़्यादा है टेम्परेचर एक्चुअली. ओके, नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कि मरकरी का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्कोहल यानी कि अल्कोहल के फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट से कितना ज़्यादा है. सो मरकरी का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कितना है -39 डिग्री सेल्सियस, माइनस हमको उसमें से करना है फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्कोहल दैट इज 114 माइनस ऑफ -114. सर आंसर इज 114 minus 39. Like this, we have to like this. Okay, the answer is 39. 51 plus 4 that is 65 degrees Celsius. ओके इसका मतलब मेल्टिंग पॉइंट मरकरी का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट अल्कोहल के फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट से 65 डिग्री सेल्सियस. वैसे भी किसी भी चीज़ का मेल्टिंग पॉइंट जो हो वो ज़्यादा होना चाहिए देन फ्रीजिंग. ओके टेम्परेचर वाइज मीन्स टेम्परेचर ऑफ मेल्टिंग पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ फ्रीजिंग. ओके क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज योर होमवर्क इन फेयर कॉपी. ओके थैंक यू सो मच. वी विल डिस्कस 3D in the next lecture. Okay.